You gonna take that in the pantry? You gonna take that in the pantry?
Keep going.
Huh?
Further.
You gonna bring it to me? Oh,
This one needs to go in here too.
why don't you bring it here? Okay, here we go.
Can you put this one in there too? Here's another one. There you go.
You're walking pretty good, huh? If you let go of that bag, it'd be even easier. Let's see Mama.
What do you have for me?
Go to Mama.
You gonna give it to me? Watch out for the potatoes.
And the French dressing and lots of obstacles, kiddo. Oh, okay, let's grab the ranch dressing. Let's take that somewhere. You want to give it to me?
Thank you.
Or give it to Mama. Oh, all gone. Bag for the Nicky Boo, huh? Oh, did you find something? No, this is going to get handed to me. What is it, kiddo? I can't get that open, so I'll set it to the side. Oh, careful. That'll break. Make you in the way.